Welcome to MacMo Academy. So in this video what we will discuss is time. So how to calculate time, how to watch time, how time is represented, and in how many ways time can be represented. We will discuss all these things in this video. So time can be calculated in two ways. Means there are two ways to watch time. So one is 24-hour clock format and the second one is 24-hour clock format. Internationally 24-hour clock format is used and most of the time, but 12-hour clock is also very much used in Asian countries. So in 12-hour clock format, so there are two terminologies, AM and PM. So AM stands for anti-meridium, and anti-meridium means, it's a Latin word and it means that before midday. Before midday. And PM stands for post meridium, and post means after midday. So what does it mean? AM starts from 12:00 AM from night and it will continue till 11:59 AM till morning before noon. When the clock will hit 12:00 in the noon, it would be considered as 12 PM. So from 12 PM, from noon till, from 12:00 PM till 11:59 at night, it would be PM. And after that it would again, this cycle will continue and this will be considered as AM and PM. So this is all about AM and PM. And 24-hour clock starts from 12:00 is represented as 00:00, means new day starts at night at 12. So new day starts from 12 o'clock at night, which is written as with 4 zeros, 00:00, and it will goes on continue 01, 02, 03, 04 and so on. And midday, what it is called midday at 12:00 means 12 noon in the morning. So after 12 it would be continued 13, 14, 15, 17, then 23:59. 23:59 means 11:59 PM. So this is same as means at night, and then it won't gives us 24. After 1 minute it would become 00:00. So this is all about 12 o'clock and 24-hour clock format. Now we will discuss that how to convert time in different clock in both of these two format, from 12 to 24 and vice versa. So now we will discuss all these conversions and we will discuss few of the terminologies, means how to read time as well. Now let's discuss few of the times that how to read time. So it is written 2 o'clock early morning. So it means that in 12-hour clock format it would be 2:00 AM, not PM. So after 12 o'clock at night, actually morning starts. So that's why we would use the word morning when we were telling time in wording. So this is the descriptive form of the time. So in 24-hour clock format, as I have discussed with you, that AM would be same as whatever the time is in 12-hour clock format, it would gives us the same time. Because at night when 12 when the clock would hit 12, so it would gives us 00:00, and after 2 hours it would be 02:00. which means 2 o'clock early morning. Then 5 to 11 in the morning, means there are 5 minutes left to become 11 in the morning, which means that it's actually 10:55 a.m. Morning again means a.m. So in 24-hour clock format, again it's actually 5 to 11 in the morning, so it's 10:55. No am and pm would be used in 24-hour clock format. Noon means 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. or 12:00. Half past 12 early afternoon means half past. Half hour has been passed means 30 minutes has been passed early afternoon. Early afternoon means afternoon means 12 o'clock. Half past means 30 minutes has been passed pm. So early afternoon is representing over here that pm. So in 24-hour clock format it would be simply 12:30. Then 2:45 afternoon, which means that after 12 o'clock in the morning, when the clock would again starts with 0102, so in 24-hour clock format it would be actually added, we would add 12 in it. So 2:45 p.m. actually is 14:45 in 24-hour clock format. So 5 past 8 means 5 minutes has been passed in 8 o'clock. So means 8 is the hour and 5 is the minutes. In the evening means it's pm. The time is actually representing its pm. So now how to convert 8 pm in 24-hour clock format? Simply add 12 in 8. So 8 plus 12 is 20. So 20:05. That's it. 1 minute to midnight. Midnight means 12:00 am or 00:00. 1 minute to midnight, matlab there is 1 minute left at midnight, so 11:59 pm. 1 minute past means it has been occur, means 12:01 am. So this is a simple or few reflection of the time, how to read time. There is one more thing. Whenever we read time, for example, if I'm saying, if I need to tell this time, so how can I explain this time? So 25 past 2 in the afternoon. So this is how we can explain this time in descriptive form. Means from 01 till 29 we would use the word past. 1 minute past 2 in the afternoon, so 25 minutes past in the afternoon, 29 minutes past in the afternoon. And when it would be 30 minutes past, so we would use half past after half past 2 in the afternoon. And after 30 means from 31 till 59 we would subtract the minutes in the next hour. Now 31 means 29 minutes are left in the next hour, so we would say 29 to 3 in the afternoon. So this is the way how to represent time or how to tell time in descriptive way. 1 minute to 3, 1 minute to 3 in the afternoon. So I hope this would be very much clear that how to tell time in descriptive form. Now let's learn how to convert the following times to 24-hour clock format. Now it means that the given time are in 12-hour clock format, and there is one more indication that there is AM and PM reflected in front of the time, and few of the time are given in a statement form. Then we will convert it into 24-hour clock format. So how to convert 8 a.m. in 24-hour clock format? As we have discussed that in AM, whatever the time is reflecting over here, it would be written as it is without AM and PM. Means it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So morning time from midnight till midday, it would be represented as it is without AM and PM. So now it's written PM. Now how to convert this time into 24-hour clock format? So minute sides will remain as it is, PM will be removed. Now if PM will be removed, so how many hours out of 24 hours would it reflect? Means 9. So there is a very simple formula. Whenever you see the time in PM, you need to add 12 in the hours. So 9 plus 12 is 21. So which means that 21:42. In 12-hour clock format, it would be 9:42 PM, and in 24-hour clock format, it would be 21:42. So now if I write one more problem over here. So for example, if I am writing (11:55 PM), so how to convert this time into 24-hour clock format? So 55 will remain as it is. Now if it is written PM over here, so we will add 12 in it. So 12 plus 11 is 23. So 23:55 means 5 minutes to midnight. So this is how to convert AM to PM. How to convert 12-hour clock format to 24-hour clock format. Now midnight means, and we need to convert it into 24-hour clock format. Midnight is 00:00, and midday means 12:00. Acha, there is a confusion that whether we need to write colon before hours or not. So it is totally up to you that if you want to write colon, it is also fine, and if you do not want to write colon in 24-hour clock format, that is also fine. The first two digits would tell you the hours, and the second one, middle one, tells you minutes, and if another two digits are reflected at the end, it means that they are showing seconds. So over here there is no need to write second because seconds are not mentioned over here. So now we need to reflect AM, 2:42 AM. 42 will remain as it is, and as we have discussed, AM would be directly converted into 24-hour clock format as it is. So 0242, and in 24-hour clock format we do not write like this 2:42. No, hours would be also reflected by two digits. So if it is 2, so we will write 0242. So this is how to convert 12-hour clock format time into 24-hour clock format time. Now let's discuss how to convert for the following time to 12-hour clock format. Now the time has been given to us in 24-hour clock format. How to identify there is no AM and PM in any of the time? First identification, there is no colon. The biggest identification is that there is no AM and PM. That's it. The time is in 24-hour clock format, and we need to convert it into 12-hour clock format. Now as I have discussed you in the previous question, that when from 01 till 12, it would be directly converted into AM, means 03 and 30. So we will write 03:30 and we will write AM. Means if the time is lesser than 12 or 13, if our side is lesser than 13, then it would be directly or straight away converted as it is. Now look at over here, it would be written as 07 colon 07 am, means 7 past 7 in the morning. Now let's discuss if the hour side is bigger than 12. If the hour side is bigger than 12, then subtract 12 from the hours. So if we would subtract 12 from the hour, so 23 minus 12 is 11 colon 12 and write PM. If the hour side is bigger than 12, it means that the time is in PM. And if hour side is lesser than 12, it means that the time is in AM. Now the hour side is bigger than 12. Now subtract 12 from 19. So this would gives you 7 colon 15 PM. But if the hour side is 0000, now it is 12:00 AM midnight. And if the hour is actually 12, we have discussed bigger than 12, lesser than 12, and if it is actually 12, so how would we convert it? It means that it would be also written as it is 12:01 PM. So I hope you have understood all the conversions from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock and vice versa, and you have also understood how to state or represent or to say the time in a statement form. So I hope you like the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and please share it in your family and friends. Thank you for your support.